Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name in Zelle. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. Now what exactly is Zelle about? Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. Now, how to create an account on Zelle? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type zellepay.com, and that's going to take you to this official website. Click on Get Started at the top right corner of your screen and follow through the on-screen prompt to link your bank into Zelle. So let's see how we can change our name on Zelle. Once you've created your account, here's what you can do. This is for the smartphone. It's not really different from what you're going to find on the website. So choose any option. Open the Zelle app, the website, or your smartphone. You're going to find an option that says Zelle Preferences. Select Zelle Preferences. Once you click on Zelle Preferences, the next thing you're going to see is Manage Payment Profiles. So select Manage Payment Profiles. Then the next thing you like to do is to update any relevant information, including your display name. So once you click on Manage Payment Profiles, you're going to see a lot of information about you, the information that you entered when you were creating your account on Zelle. So under the Manage Payment Profiles window, go ahead and select your name. So in the communication box where you have your name in there, click the name, and it's going to be editable. So edit it into the new name that you want. And once you do that, that's just going to be it. That's how you can update relevant information, including your display name. So that's all you need to do. Now, when somebody sends you money, they will see the name you've chosen. You can also update account information. If your debit card expired, you could remove it, and you could change the email associated with the app as well as other contact information. This is how you can change your name within the Zelle application. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you are done, you will be good to go. Now, I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.